Okay, hello everybody. My name is Sheep, and today I'm going to solve the problem 27 of LeetCode Remove Elements. Now, this problem is part of the Top Interview 150 study plan that LeetCode offers, and it's an easy problem, so let's get to it. Given an integer array nums and an integer value val, remove all occurrences of val in nums in place. That means we remove the val in nums directly in nums without using extra outside resources. The order of the elements may be changed, then return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val. Consider the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val to be k. So to get accepted, you need to do the following things. You need to change the array nums such that the first k elements of nums contain the elements which are not equal to val. The remaining elements of nums are not important, as well as the size of nums. Now we return k. So this is how your solution will be tested, and these are some examples. So let's look at them. So if we have this array over here, 3, 2, 2, 3, and our val is 3, then we remove this 3 over here. This we remove this 3 over here, and this 3 over here. And what we're left with is these two 2's. So it returns the output 2, and this is what's left of our array. Okay, so example number 2 is similar, and we can look at the constraints over here, see that it's nothing special, except it's pretty small, yeah? And then let's get to it. So, for example, if we have an array 3, 2, 2, 3, let's do a bit more of analyzing, and we want to delete this. We start from here, right? We start from this element, and then we want to delete it. We delete it. Then our current first element, it will be a 2, whereas it was a 3, but now it's a 2. And if our index is still 0, it remains here. So our solution is that we will go from the beginning of the array. We will go from the beginning of the array. Our index is, for example, 0. Yeah, which means we land here, and we compare this index, this value at this index with the val integer, and see that if it's the same, then we remove it from the vector, and then we test it again. We don't move the index up yet. We test it again. We see that now the value at this index is different from our value, so we move up one index. So our index is 1. We move up here, and we repeat the whole process. So this is not 3, this is not, our value is 3, this is not 3, so we move up again, and this is 3, so we remove it. And we reach the end of our array, and that's it. So let's get to it. Int I equals 0, while I is less than nums.size, then we will check. So if nums y equals val, then we will erase the that element with this line of code. Otherwise, we will move our index up. All right, and we finally return the size of nums. Okay, let's see if that works. Okay, let's submit it. Right, very well. Okay, yeah, so that's the whole thing. That's the whole problem. I hope you enjoy it. See you again in the next video.